large fire sent huge plumes of smoke into the air over the city of Bryansk, which lies less than 100 miles from the border. A second blaze was raging close to the depot this morning, with unconfirmed reports it started at a military base holding ammunition. There is nothing concrete to link the fires to the Ukrainian war, but there have been several similar incidents in recent days. Speculation is mounting that Ukrainian forces could be mounting a covert campaign targeting infrastructure crucial to fueling the war effort. CCTV footage of the incident appeared to capture the sound of a missile before the oil storage facility exploded. No one was injured in the incident, according to the same Russian authorities, which earlier this week claimed Ukrainian helicopters had been active in the area. Separately, the governor of the Kursk region, a Russian area which borders Ukraine, said air defense systems had taken out 2 drones. It is the latest in a string of unverified claims from officials in the area about Ukrainian military activity impacting the region. Western arms shipments to Ukraine are being ramped up as Russia intensifies its planned assault on the Donbass region. Kremlin forces are attempting to take the Donetsk and Luhansk regions in full, as well as at least some of Ukraine's southern coastline. Despite heavy fighting in recent days, Russia has not achieved any major breakthroughs on the ground, according to an international monitoring group. The Institute for the Study of War said they had made minor advances in taking some small towns, but that the damaged Russian units redeployed from the failed assault on Kiev had not made the pauses necessary to prepare for decisive operations. In its latest assessment, the Ministry of Defense said Russia has made minor advances in some areas, shifting its focus to fully occupying the Donbass. Without sufficient logistical and combat support enablers in place, Russia has yet to achieve a significant breakthrough. Speaking to reporters in Poland after a visit to Kiev, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken struck an optimistic note. He said, "When it comes to Russia's war aims, Russia is failing, Ukraine is succeeding."
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.